So today we're talking about Dr. Dryden's Activate Enhanced Summer Glass Media. It's a fantastic product that's able to permanently replace the sand media in your regular sand filter and allow you unparalleled filtration in regards to the sand. The glass is decontaminated, sterilized, and shaped in a proprietary process, which gives it 300 times more surface area and allows it to not degrade like a traditional sand media would. This helps because it'll get rid of 90% of the biofilm that forms inside of the filter, will lower your chlorine consumption, and make it so your pool water stays nice and clear and easier balanced throughout the summer. What we have here is a couple different grades of the glass media. We have our fine and our coarse, allowing the filters to pick up much lower microns of particles. This, coupled with the enhanced summer product, allows the glass to be repolished, making chlorine last 3 times as long as your traditional sand filter system. The process of switching this over is very easy. You simply remove the sand in your existing filter, and you would add your bag of coarse glass to the bottom, then your bags of fine on top, and then proceed to backwash the filter 3 times to settle the glass and activate the system. Then, over the course of the summer, all you're doing is adding half a gallon of the enhanced summer product into the skimmer to repolish and rejuvenate the glass. So here we have the bags themselves of the glass. As stated, they come in both the fine and in the coarse. They're sold in 25-pound quantities, and they are available on our website as well. And again, just to go over, you're able to get enough glass to work for any size sand filter. Like your traditional above ground would be 4 bags of the fine and 1 of the coarse, and one of your traditional in-grounds would be 8 bags of the fine and 2 bags of the coarse. And again, by splitting up the 2 different grades of the glass, you're able to get a much finer filtration process. In fact, almost down to about 4 microns.
I hope you enjoyed that video. Please rate, like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already, or click the bell notification to ensure that you're receiving our most updated content. And as always, thanks for watching.